So I'm making a small video because that was a mistake that I made 3 o'clock in the morning when I decided to put these bubbles from AliExpress in the service park, and to be precise are those one, the RoadSun mates. I have to tell you, these are very bright, so I'm gonna open. I changed already the one, so I'm gonna show you how much brighter it is than the stock. So this is the stock and this is the LED. And to have a better view, I'm gonna test it outside, and then I have to paint also the headlights because they are yellowish, so I'm gonna put a clear coat on them. But the light that they are making, it's absolutely amazing. So for 30 euros or 25 euros, it depends the offer, that's a very good upgrade for the service park. So highly recommended. I hope you like it. It's not a special video, but I make it just people can see. And I'm gonna put also another clip when I go out.